Hello everyone. Today we will learn about a great man, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. He is the founder of modern Turkey. 1. His early life. Mustafa Kemal was born in 1881 in Selanik. Selanik was part of the Ottoman Empire. His father's name was Ali Riza. His mother's name was Zubayde. His father died when he was a child. Mustafa was a clever and hard-working student. He went to a military school. His math teacher gave him the name Kemal, which means perfect. 2. He becomes a soldier. Mustafa Kemal became a young officer in the army. He worked in many cities. In 1911, he went to Libya and fought in a war. People started to see that he was a good soldier and a good leader. 3. The hero of Gallipoli. In 1915, there was a big war in Gallipoli. This was called the Tanakal War. Mustafa Kemal said, "I do not order you to attack. I order you to die." He became a national hero. The Turkish army won. This was very important for the Turkish people. 4. A new beginning, Samsun 1919. In 1919, Turkey was under occupation. Many cities had foreign soldiers. Mustafa Kemal went to Samsun on May 19, 1919. He wanted to save the country. He said, "The people will save the country." He organized meetings in Amasya, Erzurum, and Sivas. He spoke to the people. He said, "We must be free. We must fight together." 5. A new parliament. In 1920, Mustafa Kemal opened a new parliament in Ankara. It was called the Grand National Assembly of Turkey. This was a big step. Now the people had a voice. 6. Independence and victory. In 1922, Turkish soldiers won a big war called the Great Offensive. The enemy left the country. It was a great victory. Now Turkey was free again. 7. The Republic of Turkey. On October 29, 1923, Mustafa Kemal said, "Turkey is now a republic." The country was no longer a kingdom. The people could choose their leaders. Mustafa Kemal became the first president of Turkey. 8. Atatürk's reforms. Mustafa Kemal made many big changes. He closed the Sultanate and Caliphate. He made a new alphabet, Latin letters. He gave women the right to vote. He opened many schools. He said, "Education is very important." He changed clothing laws. He made a new law system. He wanted Turkey to be a modern country. 9. His death and legacy. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk died in 1938 in Istanbul. He was 57 years old. People were very sad. Today, many people still love and respect him. He said, "My body will die one day, but the Republic of Turkey will live forever." 10. Why he is important. Atatürk is important because he gave hope to a nation. He built a new country. He loved peace, education, and freedom. He worked hard for the people. He is not only a leader of Turkey, he is a leader for the world.